So yes guys, welcome to the channel. Yes, this is so I did say I wanted to go back to the allotment and work on the felt, the roof that got blown by the wind yesterday. So yeah, so today, this is the day. It doesn't look very flattering at the moment. Just need to get all this stuff out of there. But yeah, look, this is one thing that I don't know if it's anything that I need to worry about. There's a lot of water, just because I think obviously because this is, you know, a bit of a slope, isn't it? A bit of a slope, massive slope. I think maybe, obviously, yeah, the water is clearly, obviously, rules of gravity and all this. Yeah, so you're gonna get a lot of water sort of collecting here. So, I don't know if this is anything to worry about. Maybe I could be quite clever about the sort of crop that I can put here. Something that loves water, basically. But yeah, any suggestions, guys? What can I put? I was thinking watermelons. I'm just thinking because it says water, but I don't even know if they like water or not. To be fair, I hate those things anyway. I hate bloody watermelons. But yeah, so we got. Need to put the windows into there. You can see the roof felt is over there, and yeah. So yeah, this is gonna be my job for the day. Literally just need to take everything out. This is the thing, because obviously this is not really secure yet. You know, see that? It's all just water everywhere. Yeah, I've got myself a brand new pair of wellies getting delivered tomorrow. Essential. Okay, so I do leave these. I know they're not intended for these purposes. They're more for when you go on the beach and stuff. But yeah, I think sometimes it just helps sort of deflect the wind a little bit, which kind of honestly, so boggy. So the thing is, we're actually expecting some more rain tonight, a lot more wind, and actually bloody snow. Yes, some more freaking snow. Oh, wow. Yeah, this thing here, I don't know what I'm going to use this for. I would think of something. You know, part of me was thinking maybe should I use it as a fire pit? You know, maybe open up the bottom here, because it's all like perforated and stuff like that. Or maybe I could use it as a, you know, maybe something to just put my tools in, or compost bin. You know, also suggestions, guys. Help me out. I honestly, I'm gonna say this again. I have never done this sort of thing. I've never done this sort of thing before. Literally, I've never done this before. So I'm gonna be making a lot of mistakes. Things that you're probably gonna be watching and cringing, thinking, "Oh my God, why are you even doing that?" I don't mind. I don't mind making mistakes. Eventually, I will learn. So yeah, got quite a lot of timber, which is going to be. I'm going to be using some of this, you know, for the raised beds. But yeah, I think I've got my mind made up, really. I definitely want to have maize. I'm going to have strawberries, tomatoes, but that can wait until I've got the greenhouse. So yeah, did I say potatoes? Some sort of beans. You know, we like to call these mangetout, mongetoire, whatever it's called. What's it called? Yeah. So mangetout. It's a family joke. It's a running joke. Yeah. Mongetoire, whatever it's called. Those runner beans. So I think that runner beans, potatoes, strawberries. I think that's probably going to be the main things, really. And just for, I'm also going to be growing some some kale, some cabbages, and maybe lettuce and things. I heard that lettuce is not actually so easy to grow, so I'm not sure. We'll see. Maybe I might need to be a bit of a pro now. Actually, I could be wrong, but I think lettuce likes a bit of water, don't it? So I might actually get away with putting it at the bottom here. I think that might be an idea. What do you think? No, I don't know. But hey, use the comment section, guys. Help a brother out. Oh, tape measure. I was looking for this. Oh, do you know what? Trust me. Once this allotment is tidy, when it's all tidy, everything is gonna have a place. Because that's my OCD. I need to know where everything is. So this situation here is actually stressing me out. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like things just everywhere. I like order. Obviously, I'm not gonna keep any special tools in here. Disclaimer, just in case somebody's watching this and thinking, oh, which is the best allotment to go and steal from? No, I'm not gonna be keeping anything valuable, anything special in here. Just gonna be, you know, a kettle. But obviously what I'm gonna do, this is a plan. I'm gonna get this all painted like some sort of sage green. I'm a bit of a sucker for like sage green. Paint it sage green, and I'm gonna put some nice little flowers on side here, like some artificial flowers, courtesy of my mother-in-law. So yeah, I'm gonna make it all look nice and tidy and cute. You know, don't look at a brother and think a brother doesn't like cute things. I do like cute things, actually. So yeah, I'm gonna make it all look. You know, this is my space. This is where I get to escape and do what I want to. Just get some time to myself. So it's gonna be my castle. This is where I'm gonna be doing all my. Yeah, spending a lot of time. Yeah, I'm going to be spending a lot of time here, so I just want it to be special. Tidy, clean, warm, more importantly. Yeah, it has to be warm. So yeah, see, it's starting to look like a shed, isn't it? Can you see what I mean now? Like, look at this. This is so boggy around here, it's mad. Like, I'm probably gonna put something that really loves water. Like here. You see that I'm not doing is Peppa Pig, muddy puddles. Yeah, so, but the dough is in.
Oh my days, the monkey is so soft.
It's alright, isn't it?
That's sheddy.
It's quite nice, and it looks.
It has that like new shoe smell.
Yeah, it does. I think once again, I'm gonna do the windows now, and yeah, this is what we do. Right. So here we are, guys. This is all done. But guess what? Voila! It's snowing. Oh, I've actually just worked through. Yeah, look at that. Snow is moving all around us. People's name. This is brilliant. So this marks the end of building the shed, really. And I think it's quite lovely, isn't it? It's just a nice little finish. Finito. Yeah, quite pleased, to be honest. Nathaniel's gone home. Bless the little boy. Honestly, that kid is just God sent. What would I ever do without that boy? Literally, he's helped me with everything today. So yeah, there we are. Yeah, it's all snowing, and I think everything is how it should be. Yeah, very pleased. Very pleased with today. There we go. Just take a look at that. That looks beautiful. That looks marvellous. Yeah, I think we've done all right. There we go, all nice and secure. So I've got the security bars there, and I've just got a bit of storage on this side here. So I'm gonna get it all painted, so it's looking all nice and dapper. But yeah, look, absolutely filthy. Yeah, I'm quite impressed, to be honest. I think I've done all right. Yeah, to say that I've never done such a, something like this before. Built a full shed by myself, well, with Nathaniel, and yeah, and look, it's snowing. It's kind of like a little celebration. It's like, you've done it, Dean. Yes, absolutely made up. Yeah, I think it's been a success. So tomorrow I'm back to work, so I'm not going to be back here until sort of the weekend, I think. Oh God, I hope this GoPro and wireless system is still gonna work by the time I get home. I think it's probably best I put it away, so I can. So I don't want to risk it not being able to record any future updates for you guys. But yeah, look, the snow is getting worse. Ooh. God, this is beautiful, amazing. So yes, guys, thank you for watching, and yes, I can't wait for the next adventure. See you again soon, guys. Thank you. Mwah.